What if I told you Brussels sprouts, bacon, and sweet chili sauce in the air fryer turn out absolutely insane? And it's incredibly easy. Start by chopping up some thick-cut bacon and tossing it straight into the air fryer. Run it at 380 degrees for 5 minutes while you trim off the hard ends of your Brussels sprouts and cut them in half. In a bowl, add your Brussels sprouts with 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of oil, a half teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. Toss to coat, then add the bacon and the bacon grease. That's free flavor. Air fry everything at 380 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes, mixing halfway so it all gets crispy and brown. When they're golden and perfect, take them out, toss them in that sweet chili sauce, and put them back in the air fryer for 3 to 5 minutes to caramelize into that sticky, glossy magic. And look at that. Your Brussels sprouts will never be boring again. Sweet, spicy, crispy, salty, bacony, and super easy. Absolute air fryer win. What's your favorite air fryer veggie? Drop it in the comments and hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.